What's up, everyone? It's me, your Study Tree, John Valencian. Welcome back to Truly Asia Diaries. Mega mega love shout out mga ka-RCFC. I know that you guys are so proud because Ruel Carino just won sa recently concluded Aliw Awards as the best new male artist. Oh my God! Congratulations and mega love shoutout sa'yo, Ruel Carino. A very well-deserved award. Grabe, no? Actually, not only Ruel, kung pwede lang na maraming best new artist, dyan din sila Jerome. These amazing clones, ang gagaling nila, and nakakatuwa that they are being recognized. And right now, Ruel received the 38th Ali Award for Best New Male Artist. 'Diba? Grabe yun. That was amazing award and also milestone for this year para kay Ruel. Kaya naman, nakikilala na siya bilang Ruel Carino as the artist, not only the clone. Kaya naman excited tayong i-check dyan. But before we proceed, guys, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go. Check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, and go. Shoutout kay
Raul
Istoryahan
Carino,
Kata
ang ka-voice ni
for
Matt
this
Monroe,
one.
for winning the Best New Male Artist Award
Wow!
sa katatapos
Look at the outfit of Ruel. So nice. Ang ganda ng blue, royal blue with a red
lang
tie.
ng 38 Aliw Award ceremony.
Ayan na! Sila bunso na!
Best new male artist.
Yay!
Wow! Oh my God!
Saan na si Ruela yun? Ayun si Bunso!
Oh my God! The Bunso won! Grabe, 14-year-old.
Nanalo si Bunso!
Is he the youngest best new male artist? Guys, you can comment down below. I haven't researched about it.
Siya, announce na!
Oh my God! I love his outfit! Pati yung paglakad niya, parang
Yes.
Matt Monroe na din, ha? Sorry.
Thanks, God!
Oh my God. Guys, Aliw Awards is one of, like, it's like an Emmys, parang, hindi, para siyang Grammys ng Philippines, ganun.
At nanginginig yung kamay ko.
Thank you po sa nagpi-video nito. Mega love shoutout.
Receiving this award is a very, very big deal for me because,
Aww.
as you might know, I only started my journey here in showbiz
Showbiz.
in late April. This means a lot. This early into my career, imagine getting an award already. So, I would
You deserve it, Ruel. Very well
just
deserved.
like to sincerely thank the Ali Awards, Foundation, and all of the people here, whether you be a nominee or not. Congratulations to all of you. I love you very much.
I love you too, Bunso!
Wow! Short and sweet speech. At saka very well reserved. Alam mo yun? Na parang hindi 14 years old yung nagbibigay ng speech. Very professional ang datingan. And the way that he is giving the message is very brief. But he is very appreciative. Grabe!
Oh my God! Nanginginig
Well
yung kamay ko.
spoken. Congratulations, Ruel! Oh my gosh!
Ay, grabe, naiiyak ako.
Ay, nako, we feel you po sa nagvi-video. Kasi naman pa nagvi-video, mega love shoutout for sure ka RCFC yan. Comment down below, guys, what can you say about this? Grabe, nakaka-proud. A truly proud moment, guys. Di ba? Tulad ng sinabi ni Ruel, he started like late April. But receiving this award is like ano na siya? It's a certified music artist of the Philippines because it's from Aliw Awards, like Grammys sa Hollywood. So it's a tawag dito, validation that he is now a real music artist ng entertainment sa Philippines. Grabe yun. Grabe yung achievement.
Valderrama Martinez.
Grabe. Humble pa, no? Tignan mo, he's thanking everybody.
Yes. Grinan ni Lord lahat ng prayers po natin. Thank you, Lord.
Aww. That was a
Nanalo po si
touching
Bunso.
message as well.
New male. Best new male artist. Congrats, Bunso.
Wow.
Super proud ng Roel Carino Fans Club.
Yay, of course. Super proud ng mga ka-RCFC. O, diba? Nagpa-picture na sila. Hindi lang best new male artist ang makukuha niya. For sure, through the years, he will be one of the best artists talaga sa Aliw Awards.
I would also love to thank my parents who have guided me throughout this journey ever since I was a kid, and my abuelo and my abuelita who is here also tonight for supporting
Grabe.
me, and the rest of my friends and my family who have always been there for me, and my best friend and my sister who are also
Grabe
here.
maglakad si Ruel para
And
talaga siyang Matt Monroe. Parang hindi 14 years old. Parang alam mo yung slow pace, di ba? Grabe.
Nagpapaselfie pa kay Bunso. Oh. Naharang. Kami rin magpapaselfie. Titigil ko na tong live ko.
Ay, dapat kinuhanan niyo po ng statement. Sayang
Bakit
naman.
pinagkaguluhan na si Bunso?
Group artist is
Diba? Nasa fine dining sila. Fine dining award.
or big.
Diba? May mga pa-award pa habang binivideo. Naka-live pala to. Ba't hindi natin nakita? Saan ang bigay siya ng message? Nasa pala, parang may harang siya guys, so hindi makakapasok yung nagve-video. Yan, tawagin nyo!
So proud na witness namin ang personal yung first award ni Bunso.
Aww. That's a core memory, you know what guys, grabe.
Sinabi ko na si Selena, sinabi ko na tayo sa mic.
Ang haba pala ng call. Medyo nahihilo na po tayo. Oo. Charot. Grabe, no? Best new male artist. And also,
Naiiyak ako, mami.
shoutout sa nag-upload nito. Oo. Si Istoryahan Kita.
Kinakabahan doon. Nagiging
O, diba? May nakita ko sa Ay, ayun na si Ruel! Baka magbibigay siya ng message.
Naiiyak ako. Baka gamayin ko.
Grabe, no? Na-feel niyo yung yung emotion din ng mga ka-RCFC. They're so proud. Diba? That's how Filipinos support.
Napuno kamay ko gumagay.
Ayan na, Ruel! Oh my God! Ang pogi! Apaka-pogi, oy.
Oo nga. Punta ka kami.
Babay na po.
Ay, hindi siya.
Babay
Sana
na, viewer.
kinuha nila lang statement. Mabait naman to si Ruel eh.
Nakita nyo na malapitan.
Oh my God! Congrats, Ruel! There you have it, guys. That is Ruel Carino accepting his first award sa Aliw Awards bilang Best New Male Artist for 2025. What a milestone, an achievement. Diba? To certify him as a music artist in the Philippine industry, not only just the clone of Matt Monroe, but the music artist as Ruel Carino, diba? Parang yun yung validation that there is a music artist named Ruel Carino, and this is just the start. This is just the start that he's gonna make his name in the music industry in the Philippines. So, ang next wish ko para sa kanya is to make his own music, his own album. It can be like the vibe of Matt Monroe, but his original song. Diba guys? Grabe. Kung tumatanggap lang siya ng nagsusulat ng kanta, I can write a song for him as well. No? Parang masaya yun, no? Sulatan natin siya ng kanta na pwede niya maging original song, or kung sino man, for sure Itbulaga will not waste this kind of artist. So they're ready to help him and build him up not only as a clone but as a music artist as Ruel Carino. And of course, with the love and support of all RCFC chapters all around the world, he will be successful in the music industry. Tama ba, guys? Naiintindihan nyo ba yung nararamdaman ko bilang ka-RCFC ninyo? Comment down below. And of course, what can you say about this achievement of Ruel? Share your wishes, your comments, your reaction in the comment section at pag-usapan natin yan. And of course, kung nag-enjoy kayo sa ating reaction for today, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once again, my name is John. This is True Asia Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.